Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is LYT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to select split browsing page on Microsoft Edge. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft Edge that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Click here, we will get the interface. Now we want to use the splitting, that means this is the one interface or one page, so we wanna do the two pages in one window, so that the split in the way in two folding or two pages has been included in this page. So for this here the three dot icon, here the settings and more options. If you want you can click the alter F. So now we will click this. Here lots of function here. See the simple and easy way split screen. Click here. See, now you will get the two interface. Here the Facebook, and also we will get the Gmail. See in one page we will get the two thing or two interfaces. So in this way we can do the thing in one window, two pages browsing site in Microsoft Edge. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.